Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use Bluestacks on PC. So let's get started. Download Bluestacks from the official website, bluestacks.com. Open the downloaded installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Bluestacks on your PC. This may take a few minutes. Once installed, launch Bluestacks from your desktop or Start menu. Log in to your Google account to access the Google Play Store. This is required to download and use Android apps on Bluestacks. Search for the app you want to use in the Google Play Store, just like you would on an Android device. Install the app by clicking the Install button. Once the app is installed, open it from the Bluestacks home screen. Use the app just like you would on a smartphone or tablet. To adjust settings such as keyboard controls or performance options, click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the Bluestacks window and explore the available settings. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.